Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are back again trading with the FlowPro bot. Apologies for the absence guys, I had a busy schedule, but we are back. I'm gonna run through a little trading session here and we'll see how it goes. But if you don't know what the FlowPro bot is, it is our trading strategy on the ATAS trading platform. It is an automated order flow algorithm that is based on bid and ask volumes and a lot of order flow data that generates these trading signals and trading entries. As such, as you can see, we just got a long position here. So it's completely automated. All you have to do is activate the bot and it will trade for you as long as you're connected to a broker or an exchange. Like I've said before, this bot can be used in the futures market or the crypto market. You know, if you're an NQ trader, you can use it. If you are a Bitcoin trader, you can use it. It's totally up to you. But the big advantage of this bot is that it uses footprint data, you know, something that you can't use on TradingView. It's completely different to TradingView. And you actually get the information from the market data where you can see the real orders from traders. So that's what the bot uses for its information, for its decision making. And as you can see, we're already approaching our take profit level on our first trade here. We'll see how the session pans out and hopefully we get to win a few of our trades. We're scalping on the low time frames here. This is in the crypto market, this particular bot. And you know guys, if you've watched my videos, you know I love Pepe, I love trading Pepe. It's a volatile altcoin. It's got great potential and that is usually what I trade. So, and of course guys, if you want access, the link will be in the description. Just go to our website, get access to the bot. You can also get access to Pulse. It's a strong order flow indicator. And we've got an array of free indicators that you can get as well. And one that I'm using in this session is the support and resistance one, where it draws out automatic levels where there's support or resistance. And we're gonna win our first trade. That's great news. Okay, so we get into another trade here guys. This time a short position, so I've got both trade directions activated. I've got longs and shorts activated, so the bot is deciding which direction to trade in. But we get a short position, the bot detects a lot of selling pressure, so normally I would choose a direction to trade in, so I would normally pick the short trading direction or the long trading direction. But this time around I'm using both directions because I don't really have a strong bias today. The market on the long term has been pulling back a little bit, but for me, there is no clear bias today, so I am trading both directions for that reason. But so far so good, we've won one trade and this is going down into our profit now for this trade. Can we hit that TP? We do hit our TP, so second trade is a win. Fantastic. Okay, another trade entry from the FlowPro bot. This time another selling position, so we got one long, we got one short, and now we're entering short again. So clearly the bot is detecting a lot of selling pressure, and the risky thing about this is we're approaching a support level, as you can see by the horizontal green bar going across. But the CVD, which I didn't mention, we are using delta as another indicator, which helps me determine the trade direction sometimes and gives me good bias in the market. But it looks like we might break this level. We are moving downward and wow, look at that. So we instantly got filled into another selling position. We won it instantly. So a huge dump there. Well, more like a break of structure. Price broke that support level, and usually if you're an experienced trader, you'll notice that when price breaks abruptly like that, you'll see a huge sell-off and a huge reaction. And that's another benefit of the trading bot, is that it enters trades automatically based on the footprint chart analysis and the footprint chart activity, that you know, you don't need to manually set your trades like that. It will automatically detect this kind of activity and then automatically enter. And as you can see there, it entered automatically and we benefit from that with an automatic win. But yet again, we get filled into another selling position. So big sell-off, and clearly the sentiment is very bearish, so the bot is detecting a lot of selling. So that is why we're getting a lot of shorts here. And this is actually quite good because we've got a bear bias now, well at least I do, and I'm very happy to keep trading in this direction. Okay, we finally hit our take profit. We were so close to hitting it multiple times, but we actually hit our take profit there. So long trade there, but we did win. Another great call from the FlowPro bot on that one. We get filled into a long position now. Okay, so the bot is detecting a bit of buying pressure, and we'll see how this one goes. But yeah, we do still have the bot on both longs and shorts configured that way. But it looks like we might lose this one. We did lose that trade. That's okay. So that's our first loss of the session. And I think I just might take one more because we have got good profits so far. And here we go. Let's turn off the bot. Get another long position. So perhaps our stop loss was too tight on that one because the bot is now detecting more buying pressure, and we did win that long. So the bot is deactivated now. We're gonna close it out on 1400 P&L. That is a great session, and the bot did win most of the trades. We did experience one loss, but that is expected. It's not gonna win all your trades, but as you can see, we won most of our trades with great profits. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.